very special lecture and interaction with one of our ex-students, a very elite ex-student of this institute, Krishan Gupta. Thank you to you all for, despite the fact that your exams are over, despite the fact that it is vacation, still you have come. Well, it's my proud privilege to welcome and introduce Krishan Gupta to you. And you all know that he is Global CEO and Managing Director of a company called Organic India Limited, which is a multinational company, and it has a global presence in almost 10 or 11, 22 countries. And he did his BSc in oil technology way back in 1988. Then he did his MBA also from Amity University. Actually, like you all, he started his career as a training engineer in Colgate-Palmolive, where he got selected through campus. And then he never looked back. And today, as you all know, he is Global CEO and Managing Director, that is the highest position of a multinational company of which he is also 10% stakeholder. And because he is LIT, because he is our representative. When we see a person like Krishan holding highest position, we all know that it is because of the knowledge that he has got in this institute. It is all because of the human approach, which is absolutely essential to be successful in life, that he was taught in this institute. And then, what a person with the knowledge from this institute could do internationally and could go to that highest position is possible when we see him. So now, each one of you could think of becoming him or like him, because which has been translated into 3 different languages also, and it is internationally famous. He also delivers a lot of lectures at various universities in India and abroad. One of the most important things that he has mentioned in the book is managing yourself. If you could know how to manage yourself and your emotions, you could manage the world. As it is said, success within is more important than success without. If you cannot manage yourself from within, you won't be able to manage others. That we clear those. And that is why, and for that purpose, what we need is strength from within. And it is right from within, knowing your true self. You are telling us that most of the products are herbal. And what India has given to the West is something which is unprecedented. Unfortunately, we blindly follow West. Whereas his company has done a turnaround. It's Western people who are following him and his industry. Because now, slowly and surely, they have realized the importance of Indian tradition and other things. So, clear our bottlenecks, and then I think we will be able to take on world head on. As he said, he was talking to Quran sir and others, and he said, sir, the knowledge that you have given to us, or all our teachers, is something which is exemplary, and with that only I could take the entire world head on. And
especially, I have got Dr. Kurane here, Professor Nisar, and Professor Ole. Let me tell you, I am emotional because these were the 3 professors, among others, who certainly had an important role in building my career. Today, when I sit back, I realize the first step started with them. I still remember the engineering drawing classes, the professor. I still remember the engineering classes which I was not able to do properly, and the support which always came from professors. The reason I am saying this is because of my practical experience going out into the world. I joined Colgate-Palmolive thanks to Dr. Gisad or Professor Gisad, because he was instrumental in getting me through to that position. When I entered that company, I realized the basics which were taught to me in this institute were certainly beyond many other institutes other competitors were working with us. मैं अपनी तरफ से पूरी कोशिश करूंगा यहाँ पे whatever little I have learned in my life, I'll try and share with you. And if we all can have even 10% of the passion what I saw Professor Gisad speaking from here, I can tell you, we all have a bright future. What is required is not just the base of education, but the moment you pass out from this college, it all depends upon how much passionate you are. Basic qualification, you are certified engineer by the Nagpur University. You have the blessings of all the professors sitting over here. They have taught you the best. Now you are going into the outside world, where students like you, taught by many different professors from different universities, you will be competing against them. What I am trying to talk today here is process from raw material to finished goods. I am not talking about chemical engineering today. I am talking about human factor today. I will talk what is raw material, what is finished goods. Calibrate yourself and get engaged. That's another thing I will talk today. Execution, environment, last 10 meters, and of course ignite the flame within you. These are all chapters from my current book, Clear Your Bottlenecks, and maybe the last one is from my second book. Hopefully that should be in the market by November or so. Process all were or are raw materials. What institute does? College. Subject course material is the spices. Right? Different spices is the course material or the subjects for this study. And of course, professors are the master chef. They know किस स्टूडेंट पे ज़्यादा हीट लगानी है, किस पे कितना काम रोड़ना है, किसको किस तरह से हैंडल करना है. They are the master chef. A raw material which is really raw, and I am talking to you out of my personal experience. When I go back in 1985 or 86 when I joined the institute, I remember what I was. But for the master chef sitting over here, I would have become a finished product which is ready for industry, and I call them as consumers. So you all are the finished product ready from this institute. You were raw as you started, went through the process, finished goods ready for consumer, which is the industry. Now, my friends, it is the hands of industry to tell you whether you are good or not. Are you all understanding what I am saying? Is it clear? So, you all are finished goods, ready to embrace the industry. Okay. What is calibration? Tough question? Huh? This is the first learning. Okay? This is the first learning when you go to industry. Do not worry whether this answer is right or wrong. Most of the people sitting over here, they are not answering because पता नहीं यार दूसरा क्या सोचेगा, पता नहीं सही है या गलत है. You don't have to care about others. You have to care about you and you and you only if you want to grow further in life. What do you do? By answering, at least you make your presence felt, good or bad, who cares? My friend, first step is you have to initiate things. Unless you hit, you cannot score run. You cannot, Tendulkar cannot score runs sitting in the pavilion. You have to go and play on the pitch. Unless you shoot, you cannot score, right? Same is the case here. You are not even shooting. How you will win? How you will score? So what is calibration?
Estimating.
You make the effort to shoot at least, right? Yes, sir. Your name, please.
Mr. Paliwal, sir.
Mr. Paliwal. Yes, go ahead.
Estimation to the extent up to what I am doing better, or I am doing okay, or I am not going up to the mark. To my mind, it's a calibration.
Okay. Anyone else? Good. Thank you so much. Any other definition of what is calibration? Yes, sir.
Matching the new things to the standard ones.
Matching the.
Matching the implementing to the any standard thing is already fixed.
That's another definition of calibration. Anything else? Making it standardization for reference. Okay, we can have many definitions, right? Let us come to the calibration as far as human angle is concerned. लेकिन क्या होता है नॉर्मली? You get up in the morning, शीशे के सामने जाके बाल ऐसे करे, अपने को अमिताभ बच्चन समझ, right? क्या हेमा मालिनी जो भी लेटेस्ट क्रेज है, it goes both way around. उस करने से काम नहीं चल सकता. If you want to really become Amitabh Bachchan or your role model, you have to understand the gaps which are there between that person and your person. The reason is, if you do not calibrate properly, you are making the first major mistake of your life. Everything in life we calibrate. Even first thing you do, a बच्चा पैदा होता है क्या करते हैं? कितना वजन है, right? Just imagine weighing a child on a weighing balance which has an error of plus 5 kgs. हाँ? क्या होगा? कितना सब केजी का बच्चा 3 केजी हुआ था 8 केजी का बोले यार आदमी का ही, right? Same is the case, my friends. With your permission, can I remove this? Okay? केवल एक बच्चे के लिए हम weighing balance सही इस्तेमाल करना चाहते हैं क्योंकि वजन लेना है. And as far as our carrying is concerned, we don't calibrate ourselves properly. Everyone feels I am the best. किसी का जॉब और दूसरे का लग गया. The first y-axis is intensity of energy, and on the x-axis is focus of energy. You all understand what is focus and what is intensity, right? लेंस होता था बचपन में, उसको जैसे जैसे फोकस करते थे, intensity of energy coming from sun, focus from the lens, पेपर और हाथ भी जला देता था. That is the energy or the combination of intensity and focus of energy can do, right? First is laid back. हाँ बोलो ना यार, होते नहीं होते? अपन इसमें भी बैठे होंगे थोड़े से लेट. 30-35 मिनट और बोलेगा सर जी. हम बैठे रहो, हवा अच्छी आ रही है, चलेगा. Then comes the political, lot of energy, but focus is missing. Right? People will be here also. बहुत बातें करेंगे, political, like a politician, but the focus is missing. Then we come to the result-oriented zone, where the focus is there and the energy is there. The moment you have this combination, you get results. पेपर चलाना है तो फोकस और एनर्जी साथ देना पड़ेगा, जब भी रिजल्ट मिलता है. This is known as result-oriented zone. And then of course it is just focus. LIT में है यार, मेरा कॉलेज है 6 साल में निकलूँ 7 साल में निकलूँ. कंफर्ट है, बढ़िया है, अच्छा खाना है, प्रोफेसर भी अच्छे हैं, सब अच्छा है. Comfort zone. It is my college, my company. I'll relate it further next. Yes. Let me relate it to our now personal and professional life. Everyone knows what is flirting, right? नहीं पता? Right? Flirting is tons of energy, but missing focus. अभी ये कन्या मिली, बहुत खूबसूरत है, धर्म पेट में ये मिली थी, बर्थडे में गए, दूसरी मिली, वो अच्छी है, और फिर कौन सा पेट में गए अगले में, तो तीसरी मिली, and you keep forgetting about the earlier events. You know all flirting, right? Energy is high, but the focus is missing. Like a politician, they flirt up with our life. The energy is high, but the focus is missing. नागपुर में 3 फ्लाईओवर बना गए, अमरावती पहुंचे 4 माह बना के, घर पे जब तक पहुंचे सब। Are you able to understand? Coming to professional world, the reason I am sharing with you is there are flirts in professional world also. They do not even join a company before they are looking for कोई और कंपनी में 2-4 हजार रुपया ज्यादा नहीं। People come to me, they are ready to join me and they say, sir, मेरे पास एक और जॉब है, उसमें 10% ज्यादा मिलता है। What I am trying to say is, my friend, do not flirt with your career. If you get your first job, make sure you learn everything over there. Make sure you are focused. Make sure you are full of energy over there. Do not worry about few thousands here and there. It is the first step in your life. There will be many companies who will come and tell you, I can give you a few thousand more. Do not make the mistake. Is it clear to everyone? Then comes the engaged zone. What happens after flirting in personal life? You get engaged. यार बहुत हो गया इधर उधर टहलते हुए, let me get engaged. What happens the moment you get engaged? The focus comes in along with the energy. The focus is all there. Then this is the best women in my life. ऐश्वर्या राय जो भी आने दो, उस समय वो बेकार है. Because I am focused, I am energized as far as this woman is concerned. Or other way around, women focused on a man level. Energized. That is what we call this as the result-oriented zone. Anything you do when you are in engaged zone is the result-oriented zone. And just go back to engagement days. यदि would be wife का birthday भी celebrate करना हो तो 1 महीना पहले से you will decide यार कहाँ लेके जाना है उसको, क्या gift देना है, right? That is the energy you get in engaged zone. Same is the case, my friends, in your professional life, whichever company you join with, get engaged to that company. From engagement we move to the result of engagement is marriage. What happens in marriage? Only focus remains. वो मेरी घरवाली है या ये मेरा घरवाला है, अपने देश में तो छोड़ के भी नहीं जा सकती. The same woman who was the beautiful woman, the most or the best person available on the earth. All the mobile bills are, or all the mobile companies, they gain from engaged people, not from married people. The reason is, the mistake what we do is, the focus only remains, the energy goes missing. Same is the case, it happens in professional life. The moment you spend few years in a company, you also get into a comfort zone. ये मेरी कंपनी. I get people when I'm joining a company. सर आप तो कल ज्वाइन कर रहे हो, इस कंपनी में 20 साल से हूँ. मेरे बच्चे को लगा लीजिए. How can I put your बच्चा here यार? कंपनी सर्वाइव नहीं कर पाएगी तेरे जैसे लोग. Because the energy is missing. It is just focus. मेरी कंपनी मेरा सब कुछ, लेकिन results are missing. Same happens in our personal life also. I was delivering a lecture to Rotarians in Kolkata. All 60, 65, 70. And they were saying, sir, what you are saying is absolutely right. I don't want to go home. Man, you know who is responsible for this? I said, you and you and you. एक घर पे जाते समय आके रोज खरीद ले यार, इंडिया में तो 5 रुपए का मिलता है, विदेश में डॉलर देने पड़ते हैं. घर पे जाके देख, एक बार देख के क्या होता है. फर्स्ट टाइम परेशान मत होना, डांट पड़ जाए, चाटा पड़ जाए. You have never done it in last 50 years and suddenly you are delivering a roast today. You won't believe, after 3 or 4 weeks, I get an email from this gentleman, Mr. Roy. He says, Mr. Gupta, you are so young in age, but your trick made the difference in my house. My house is happy and healthy guy. The reason is, this person took everything for granted as far as after marriage is concerned. The same is the case in our professional life also. Never get into a marriage zone as far as personal and professional is concerned. The moment you keep yourself in an engaged zone, which doesn't mean कि marriage नहीं करिएगा. नहीं, I'm not saying that. Many people ask me, sir आप क्या बोल रहे हो? मैं marriage नहीं करूँ. नहीं, I'm not saying that. Get married, but make sure you maintain the focus and energy of engagement. I'm not saying you don't work in a company for a long time. You work in a company for a long time, but make sure you maintain the energy and focus which you had when you joined the company. Is it making sense? And of course, diverse, as you know, I don't want to speak about it. There is no energy, there is no focus. Then you say it's better to separate out. It is very easy to get into an engagement zone. From marriage zone, from flirting zone. This is what, my friends, I was trying to say. Calibrate yourself now. Whether are you in engaged zone, are you in flirt zone, are you in diverse zone, or are you in marriage zone. The complete nation or a country of this world can be divided into these 4 zones. And my research of the last 10-12 years, talking at different forums, nationally, internationally, says only 5 to 6% people fall in engaged zone in the organization. About 40-42 are in flirt zone. That is political zone. फालतू की बातें करने में ज़्यादा. What I am trying to explain through this is, my friends, you are getting into a new environment, new companies, new places. You will encounter people who will be flirt. You will be encountering people who will say, यार कहाँ join कर ली, मैं तो खुद परेशान नौकरी ढूंढ रहा हूँ. Like when you join this college, the senior person says, कहाँ गया भैया? I'm telling you, don't worry. This is your decision. You have taken this decision and you have to make it work right. What I am trying to say is, in this world, only people are there to misguide you. Teachers, once you pass out from this college, they are not there. You will get people who are already diverse to seek a salah lene. Right? People will be there who are already married in that company, काम ही नहीं करते हैं, बोलेंगे यार ये क्यों काम कर रहा है? सलाह नहीं लेनी. You have to find out which are those 5-6% who are engaged in that company and get friendly with them. If you want to try. आसान नहीं है, उसके साथ करोगे तो जल्दी ऑफिस आ जाता होगा. Let me share with you myself. Now what I used to do. I went to Bombay after passing out from LIT. First time in Colgate Farm. खूबसूरत लड़कियाँ, सब कुछ बढ़िया, मजा एकदम कॉलेज से बाहर आते. To control yourself. You to understand, ये कहीं नहीं जाने वाली. जितना आगे बढ़ोगे उतनी पीछे पड़ेंगे. Don't mistake me. Don't mistake me. I am trying to share my personal views because I want to give you what I have gone through my life. Whether it's right or wrong, you have to decide. My company started at 9 o'clock. I started reaching office at 8. I was the only person. लोगों ने बोला जल्दी आता है, थोड़ा साफ सफाई कर दिया. I knew these people are worried कि हमारी पोजीशन ले सकते हैं. You know what I'm saying? I said, बोलता है मेरे क्या फर्क पड़ता है? I'm coming for myself. I'm not coming here to show to anyone. I make business. 7 to 8, I used to teach in Ravi classes in Mumbai, जो माटुंगा वगैरह जानते होंगे. I used to teach students there. Whatever I learned from, especially from Professor Ole, you know, I used to teach over there. 7 to 8, I used to make more money than I used to get from Colgate Palmolive. Because every hour, I used to get about, if this time I can tell you, 80 rupees per hour. And Colgate Palmolive used to give me 2,000 rupees for the month. Factory will get over about 5:30. Again, 6 dummy classes, 6 to 7 and I used to study. Retire at my home at 10:30. I did this for 4 years continuously without a break. So that is where then you really see the world. Because that was a new venture. I was entering a new environment. Unless I control myself. Because there are many